Tagalog and Bisaya, Miss Universe Pia Awards man.
Okay, mahina na yung Bisaya ko pero daghang salamat sa inyong tanan na daog na ko sa Miss Universe. Kapoy kaayo mo isali 3 times. Pero okay lang lagi. Parang sobra nakakahiya. Pero
That's appreciated.
Ayun, thank you.
Okay, unahin na pangalawang Tagalog.
Tagalog. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sobrang saya ko po na nakauwi na ako dito sa Pilipinas. Pakiramdam ko ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakauwi. Nung naglalakad ako nung pageant night na naka-Philippine sash ako, na naka-gown ako na blue na yon, yung parang ganito din yung pakiramdam eh. Sobrang saya, sobrang dami nag-cheer. Talagang I was so proud to be a Filipina at that moment, and what I really wanted to do was just represent the country as much as I could, in the best way that I could. Maraming salamat din po sa lahat ng bumoto ng Global Fan Vote. Ang mga PNatics, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, lalo na sa napaka-importante po talaga ng Global Fan Vote na yun, at hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi ako nag-number 1 sa swimsuit, evening gown, and question and answer. Thank you.
In English now.
Thank you very much, everybody, for your continuous support before I joined Miss Universe, and even now that I won Miss Universe. You're all here. I did this for our country. I've never been more proud to be a Filipina. I thank everyone who woke up very early to vote real time for the Global Fan Vote. That was a very important part of the competition as well. It was new as well. They've never done it before. So thank you very much to the PNatics, to all the Filipinos, even to the ones who are abroad, even especially to the ones who bought tickets to Access Theater in Planet Hollywood, to the ones who applied, who got visas and flew to Las Vegas just to watch me compete. Thank you so much for waving the Philippine flag. It was a great confidence boost.
In German.